Hi, welcome to Friday Sauce, and it feels very weird to say that again. You know, I doubled on a Sunday, but my weekly vlog, really, I think my heart's on a Friday, so I'm going back to a Friday Sauce from now on, but there will be other vlogs in between, here and there. So, we're in the Twixmas stage. So I'm recording this on Thursday, Boxing Day in the UK, just grabbing 10 minutes to do a little recording, because I missed you. Vlogmas comes to an end and then it's like, I was on YouTube today and there was nothing I really wanted to watch. Oh, and I've just realised I've still got a roller in my hair, so I better take that out, hadn't I? Sorry. There we go. That's real life. Right, there we are. So, what can I say? I hope you've had a lovely Christmas. If you've got any sewing related things, patterns, fabric, sewing bits, just let me know in the comments. I'd love to know what you got. I didn't directly get anything sewing related for Christmas. I'm not going to go into kind of what I did get as gifts because, I don't need to, but I got some lovely presents. I've been thoroughly spoiled. But Carl did get me a wireless mic, which will be very helpful because I've got a mic on my Sony camera here, but it means if I move around, obviously my volume changes. So yeah, so I hope you've had a great time, you're feeling chilled, you've spent it with the people you want to spend it with, or if you've been on your own, you've just had a lush time on your own. So I've cracked on a little bit with these aren't in my January plans, but I've got a Stitch In Tyne, which is the sewing social that Mags, Dawn and myself run, and that's an in-person sewing social, and that's on Sunday at Tesco at Kingston Park in the north of Newcastle. So I thought, right, I need to get something cut out, so I've got something to make there, and I think I'm just going to take my Baby Locker Claim overlocker rather than take my sewing machine. So you might remember I had some of this purpley blue stretch velvet, which I made a jumper dress out of, but I had some more left, so I've actually cut out and it's downstairs ready to go. Another pair of lounge pants, the Suero pants but without pockets because I'm not wearing the black ones, love them, but I had enough left to cut out the front and back bodice of a Drew, and I've cut the cuffs out of just normal black rib, but I need an alternative colour for the sleeves. Now I do have it's like a turquoise velvet dress that I made for last Christmas, which I'm not wearing. It's lovely, it's a sew over it pattern, but I've just not worn it this year. But I think it's in the loft. I might have mentioned this the other day, so I think tomorrow we'll be putting like Christmas wrapping paper and some bits and bobs, well, I'm saying tomorrow, the day you're watching it, up into the loft. Well, I say we, I mean Carl. And so I've said to him, can you have a rummage? I've got some IKEA zip-up bags with some clothes in up there for that. And I think I'll be able to get the sleeves out of it. If not, I'm just going to order a metre of an alternative colour to go with that. And that'll give me another loungewear set. And I did get one for Christmas off Carl, which is lovely. So I'd ordered the True Bias Marlowe cardigan. That's the first pattern I've kind of ordered from them, but I've been wanting to get the Maeve skirt for quite a while. I know it's just kind of a tiered skirt, it's probably just rectangles and easy, but I like the flow of that. I did look at a few others, but I like the volume that's in the Maeve skirt. My friend Vicky has it and I've seen her wear it, so it wasn't in the sale or anything, I just went on and bought that. So I got the 0 to 18 size, and I think there's about 8 different versions of that you can do, but I've got some fabric in mind that I bought at Scarborough Boys last summertime, so I quite fancy doing the full tiered one first, and then I'll take it from there after that. So yeah, have I sent this off for print? God, you know when you get lost off? No, I don't think I have. Oh yes, I have. I ordered it from the fold line. Isn't that ridiculous? I ordered it from the fold line, so I just got them to print and send it out. It was easier than going on elsewhere, but it won't come to me till everybody's back at work, because a lot of people are taking a lot of time off over Christmas, and I don't blame them. So what else have I cut out? I had some black bamboo jersey. I've had it in my stash for a little while, and my intention when it got to autumn was to make a Friday Pattern Company bateau top, and I can't find the instructions to hold it up and show you them, but it's just a simple t-shirt. It's a bit of a boat neck, so I'm hoping that I can wear it under dresses. So something like this, if I wanted a long sleeve, I'd just pop it under, so it's more of a base layer. I won't lift it out of the zipper bag because it's just black fabric, but I've cut that out. So if I don't have, and I'm unlikely to have the alternative to that unless I can find the dress for Sunday, I've got that as well. So I figured if I just take my overlocker, the only thing I'll have left to do is like any hemming that's to do, and I'll just do that on my cover stitch when I get home. So I'm going to have a little bit of a party on Sunday. It's the 29th, and I think there's 11 of us booked in now, so that'll be really nice. So we're going to have a little buffet and things. So I don't know how much sewing I'll get done, but it'll just be nice to actually kind of, you know, see some sewers in the flesh again. And bookings, I mean, So Virtual's just gone so crazy. I've added in some Tuesday evenings now. So I'm really pleased because obviously it's been a bit of a soft launch with it being just before Christmas. So I need to kind of get the word out there a bit, but I'm loving the interaction on the private Facebook group as well. So hello to anybody who's joining us on there in the new year. If you're interested, all the details are in the description box below. So that's where I'm at. I'm about to go and cook Christmas dinner, because this is our day 2 Christmas day. So yesterday we just had like a buffet. It was like a really informal day, and it was very chilled. I really enjoyed it. We just had like some camembert and bread and stuff last night. And then today I'm doing Christmas dinner, but just for the 3 of us. And we're just going to take that kind of at its own pace. You know, it doesn't have to be sort of particularly on the table by a certain time kind of thing. So I'm looking forward to another relaxed, chill out Christmas day today. It was lovely last night, and I got home from work about 7:30 p.m. on the 25th, Christmas Day, and we had the camembert and the bread, and then we opened some Prosecco and we opened presents and things last night. So it was just a lovely day. I hope you had a lovely day too. So chat to me, guys, in the comments. I've missed you. Let's kick things off again, and I'm planning on coming back on Sunday with a bit of a roundup of 2024, and then I think probably I'm going to aim for, I think, Tuesday morning, fingers crossed, sewing plans for January. Exciting stuff. So yeah, as always, let me know what you're up to. It's lovely to chat, and I will catch up with you really soon. So take care, enjoy the rest of the festive period.